Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that has the potential to transform our lives: self-development. In this fast-paced world, it's essential to invest time and effort in improving ourselves. So, let's explore the power of self-development and discover how it can positively impact our lives. Segment 1: Understanding Self-Development. Before we delve deeper, let's understand what self-development truly means. Self-development is the intentional process of improving oneself physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. It involves setting goals, acquiring new skills, gaining knowledge, and fostering personal growth. Segment 2: Benefits of Self-Development. The benefits of self-development are truly remarkable. By investing in ourselves, we can experience personal transformation and achieve greater success in various areas of our lives. Here are a few key benefits. Improved self-awareness. Self-development allows us to gain a deeper understanding of ourselves, our strengths, and areas for improvement. Enhanced skills and knowledge. By continuously learning and acquiring new skills, we can stay ahead in our careers and personal endeavors. Increased confidence. As we grow and develop, our confidence naturally increases, empowering us to take on new challenges and achieve our goals. Adaptability and resilience. Self-development equips us with the tools to adapt to change and bounce back from setbacks, fostering resilience. Segment 3: Practical Steps for Self-Development. Now, let's explore some practical steps to embark on a self-development journey. Set clear goals. Identify what you want to achieve and set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals, SMART goals. Continuous learning. Engage in lifelong learning by reading books, taking courses, attending workshops, or watching educational videos. Embrace challenges. Step out of your comfort zone and embrace new challenges to stretch your abilities and grow. Reflect and evaluate. Regularly reflect on your progress, evaluate your actions, and make adjustments to stay on track. Segment 4: Inspiring Examples. To inspire you, let's look at a few notable individuals who have embraced self-development and achieved remarkable success. Oprah Winfrey. Through her dedication to self-development, Oprah became one of the most influential media personalities and a champion of personal growth. Elon Musk. By continuously learning and pushing boundaries, Musk has revolutionized several industries and become a leading figure in technology and space exploration. Michelle Obama. Through self-development, Michelle Obama became an influential advocate for education, women's rights, and wellness. Segment 5: Overcoming Obstacles in Self-Development. While self-development is a powerful tool for personal growth, it's important to acknowledge that it's not always an easy journey. Let's discuss some common obstacles people encounter and how to overcome them. Procrastination. Many of us struggle with procrastination, delaying our efforts to work on self-development. To overcome this, break tasks into smaller, manageable steps, set deadlines, and hold yourself accountable. Self-doubt. Doubting our abilities and fearing failure can hinder our progress. Practice self-compassion, challenge negative self-talk, and surround yourself with supportive individuals who believe in your potential. Lack of consistency. Consistency is key in self-development. Develop a routine, create a schedule, and commit to regular practice and learning to make progress over time. Fear of change. Stepping outside our comfort zones can be intimidating. Embrace discomfort as a catalyst for growth and remind yourself of the benefits that lie beyond your comfort zone. Comparison trap. Comparing ourselves to others can be demotivating and hinder our progress. Focus on your individual journey, celebrate your own achievements, and seek inspiration from others without falling into the comparison trap. Remember, self-development is a personal and unique journey. Embrace the challenges as opportunities for growth, and stay committed to your personal development goals. We've explored the power of self-development, discussed its benefits, practical steps, inspiring examples, and ways to overcome obstacles. Remember, self-development is a continuous process that requires dedication, patience, and self-reflection. So, let's embark on this transformative journey together and unlock our full potential. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content on personal growth and self-improvement.